Hey everybody, I am on. Echo Park is having one of their warehouse sales, so I haven't done one for a while, so I thought, yeah, I'll go for it. So it always comes with this cute magazine or catalog that gives you ideas how to use the kits. So cute. So yeah, I try to keep that. And then what does it say? Scan me to shop this collection. Oh, they're smart. They know what they're doing. It's floral, and I probably have half of these, so... Ooh, that's a cute one. Anyway, okay, Kim, don't look at that. Alrighty, so the collections now are $8 in the warehouse. They used to be $7.50, but anyway. And then I got $2 off, I think, because I'm on their weekend, or their card membership thing. So I have been wanting, I have the small from the card membership, but I wanted to get the Firefly collection now that it's in the clear, because usually they're like $16 new or more. $29.99 actually, I think. So it was on sale. And these are the stickers you get. Cute. Ready, set, glow. Would go good with that bug thing I was showing. Maybe that's what I was thinking from Diamond Press. We don't have fireflies here. I'm bummed. I've never seen one in person. Sad. Don't you feel sorry for me? So that's one side, and then the stripes. Here's like the big cards. Ooh, I like that. Oh, here's my bees. Is that a... Oh, no, that's a butterfly. A firefly. Really? Huh. Okay. On this side, oh, I love this. This could go with my bees, because unless I tell somebody, they're gonna go, that's a bee. Right? Don't you think? Doesn't that look like a bee? Work with me, people. Oh my gosh. And there they are in the jar. Do you have fireflies where you live? I've never seen them. Look at you grow and glow. Oh, for my girlies. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this page. Look, and I like the dark blue of these the colors. There's that. That's beautiful. Love it. And then this. I think I'm hitting the camera. Sorry. Ooh, look at that. Let it glow. What an interesting bug. Huh, there's the other side. There's a good plaid. Ooh, I just love this. Really like that background. The dark blue, the navy blue. Ooh, there we go. Got yourself a little gingham. A little gingham here, a little gingham there. A little smaller journaling. This little light of my... Oh, I remember that. I'm gonna let it shine. Anyway, I won't scare you with my singing. I've mentioned this before. I burst into song of your words or phrases. Oh my gosh. Emma and I were doing that the other day. She is just, oh gosh. She was over and she wanted to play with the kinetic sand. I think I've mentioned this before. Sorry if I'm repeating myself, but she just... And she likes to just sit and visit. So... But after a while, so I'm like, I gotta go in now. I'm getting cold. It's not cold. Go get your coat. I'm like, you're not in charge of me, little missy. Anyway, Yankee Doodle. I don't think I've ever seen this. Is this a newer one? Does it say? Yes, it is. 2025. So I think this is new to the clearance stuff. Warehouse sales. Okay. Happy 4th of July. This is the sticker sheet. I just feel like going through it with you. If you want to speed forward you through it, you can, or whatever. It's a tractor. My son might do the wheat tractor thing again this summer, he said. Hooray for you. There's a chicken. Cute. This year we're celebrating Vienna's birthday on 4th of July. Her birthday's the next day. So that's so cute. That'll be a fun one. I'll have to remember. You guys remind me I have this kit. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. Ooh, little polka dots. Oh my gosh. You had me at bows. There we go. Look at this. Oh, this. I'm glad I got this. This doesn't have to be 4th of July. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So yeah, so far this is my favorite. And I like the Firefly one, so that's saying a lot. That's pretty. Oh. That's cute. Oh, look at this. It's got the flowers kind of just in a lighter. Oh, and a quilt. Okay, so this I'm not like, but that's okay because I like this side. Yankee Doodle Dandy. There you go. Why is a goat? I don't know. Ooh, this is like a pinstripe. Oh, I love this. This is a good one. Yankee Doodle. Stars and Stripes forever. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm glad I got it. Oh, this will be cute for my kids. They have their chickens. Which I'm going to babysit for a night. Oh, boy. Hopefully the chickens survive and I don't get a call from the neighbor. The chickens are out. That's what happened when Margaret and I went there. Hey, there's a chicken loose. I'm like, oh, my God. That's not easy to get those. It's not like a dog where you can go, here, puppy. Oh, my gosh. Oh, look, it has strawberries. Ooh. Okay, I likey that one. Takes a lot for me not to like something, so unless you're an ugly bug, I'm in for you. And then I thought this was really cool because I like the strawberries and cherry theme and stuff. This one is called Fruit Stand. And it came out, this is a Cartabella one, 2024. I don't have this one. Oh, cute. So again, I'm going to go through it, so hopefully you don't mind. Since I haven't looked at these in person yet. Ooh, that is going to be fun stuff. Okay. A little watermelon. I love a good watermelon. You're the berry best. Oh, that's cute. Life is so sweet. So I figured out, once Easter's over, there's really no other holiday till 4th of July that you decorate, or you make cards for or anything. So then I'm going to get back into my journals because I've been so into making cards. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. And here's the other side. Sorry. Anyway, that's my plan. Hopefully I'll stick to it. Moments of joy. Oh, and their cardstock's always so nice. Hello, there's sunshine, blessed. Ooh, I like that one. Always live, live simply. Yeah, I don't do that. Always together, you and me together, blessed. Oh, two blessed. Oh, I like that. Happy. Okay. Ooh, little tiny flowers. That's cool. Oh, look at this. I like this. A little busy, but you break it up by covering it with stuff, and you're good to go. Oh, look at the lemons. Oh, that's pretty. It's like they watercolored them. Ooh, that's gorgeous. I'm going to have to share with you guys. Margaret, I think I mentioned on one of my, she's going to try a new technique. She printed up a picture of her dog and then traced over, sketched it, did light sketching and then painted it in different colors than just what he looks. Oh my gosh. That woman is so talented. But when I see her, she's going to be on her way to a cataract appointment. I don't know if she'll feel like talking, but I need to share that. She's just very talented. She's an artist. I'm a crafter. She's an artist. Nice. I like the bees, of course. Ooh, I like that side. I love that color yellow. Kind of a school bus. Sunshine and smiles, just peachy. Oh, I love these. You could do a little cut apart on those, or fussy cut, that's what I'm trying to say. What a beautiful day. Very nice. I think the warehouse sale is still going, ladies, so you might want to check it out. Oh, yeah, look at this. You can fussy cut all those out. Some people are going, I hate the fussy cut. I don't mind it. I kind of like it. It's relaxing for me. But anyway, there's that. Love, you're the apple of my eye. Oh, Very cool. Do the things that make you happy. That's right. And cleaning doesn't seem to be one of them right now. I look at some and go, yeah, I'm going to craft instead. These are just... Oh, I'm really happy with all the papers I got. Look at that. Look at this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so that's fruit stand. I don't remember ever seeing that. One more paper collection, and then I've got some ephemera packs. Let's see here. This one is called, I've been into sunflowers lately. Oh, and look, it's got chickens. Oh, that's cute. And this one's called Sunflower Market. And it's a Cartabella as well. 2024. So I think these are new to the warehouse sales, because I don't remember seeing these before. But really, $8 is not bad for all you get. Allow yourself to grow. Oh, I like these. Sunshine. Sunflower fields. Chicken. Sunflower. Oh my. And I always love these borders. These are really nice. And suddenly you know it's time to start something new and trust the magic of beginnings. There you go. That's a good one for me. Well, any of us, but yeah. You are the sunshine of my life. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's got eggs. I've got to do something with this for the kids. Okay, and they're chickens. The kids and the chickens. Oh, look at that. The colors in that. Oh my god. And then, not so much, but that's okay. As long as I like one side, I'm good. Be brave. Happy for you. So happy for you. Gather at home together. Oh, just thinking of... Oh, these are cool. And then there's this side. Oh, that's pretty too. See, I'm loving how they're doing this, where you can fussy cut those little puppies out or punch them out. Die cut them. Ooh, they're like little seeds. Yeah, well, they are seeds. Seeds. Yeah, Kim, they're seeds. Okay. Sunflower Summer. That's kind of cool. And then this, ooh, that's a pretty turquoise color. Allow yourself to grow. Be someone's sunshine when their skies are gray. That's right. You never know what somebody else is going through, right? Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see the shadows. It's what the sunflowers do. Oh, that is so... Oh, I've never heard that. Oh, boy. So these are like the little circles you get when you do needlepoint. A cross stitch or something. Embroidery hoops. Boy, look at that. Kim's got the... Anyway, but you could just circle punch those out too. Or you could use it as a piece of paper. There's that. Oh, I like that. That's very pretty. And a beautiful gingham. Sunflowers. Really pretty. And then that's dark green. Advice from a sunflower. Be bright, sunny, and positive. Spread seeds of happiness. Can you see that? Keep your face to the sunshine. Rise, shine, and hold your head high. Keep on growing. Oh, you are so very nice. Oh, that's really neat. Grateful for the little things. Always bring your own sunshine. That's right. Oh my gosh. And then there's this side. Oh, don't make me choose. Which paper is this? Multi-journaling cards. I might have to get one of those. Okay. They might have these at Ben Franklin. Bees. Cute. Oh, I like that too. Oh my gosh. Here's the chicken page. I don't have chickens, but my kids do, so now I'm into them. Oh my gosh. I'm so easily influenced. Stand tall and keep your face toward the sunshine. Oh, that's cute. Welcome to the sunflower farm. Hello, summer. Chicken. Okay. One time Brian and I were watching the kids' chickens. This is years ago, a different group of chickens, and one of them looked dead. I said, let's just pretend we didn't see it. And we walked off. So then I call Eric, and I go, when they got home, and I said, so how are the chickens? And he goes, fine. Why? I said, have you been out there yet? And he goes, yeah. He goes, Mom, why are you talking? I go, because we thought one was dead. He goes, so you just walked away? I go, yep. He goes, no, that one's she was sleeping. Okay, I didn't know they did that. So anyway, shop more pressed floral. I think I have one. Anyway, so yeah, now he's always like, is it going to be like when you had this? Because I ruined one of his. He has a black stone, and I got out the girls. He had a Papa Murphy's pizza, and I used this black stone paddle that had never been. It was in pristine. Anyway, so, and I made the mistake of cutting the pizza on that paddle, and it took the black off of it. So I ordered him another. I didn't want to tell him. And he goes, is this like the chicken? I go, you got something in the mail. Go look. And he goes, I already have one of these. I go, yeah, but I ruined it. So he gave me the older one. Anyway, he goes, Mom, you don't have to hide that. I go, I just felt really bad and just stupid for doing that. And he said, well, I wish you had said something, because if you're going to buy me a new one, I want a wood one, because I agree with you. You should be able to cut on it. And I was like, oh, okay. So these packs, this is Yankee Doodle. Goes with, I love this, red, white, and blue. They were $2, which that's awesome. So then I'll store these together. All American, cute. The United States of America, that's right. So it's 250 years celebration this year. My goodness. I remember when it was 200 year when I was a freshman in high school. Ah! Do I feel old? God. Yankee Doodle. So, very cute. $2. I got my $2 worth, right? Yeah, so I don't know what my thing is. If I see somebody and I don't want to see them, I run away. I mean, I avoid troubles in a weird way, you know. That chicken being dead, or not dead, but thinking it was dead at his old house, that was silly. We didn't do anything, but for some reason I decided we didn't want to tell him. I think it was because I didn't know what to do with it. I didn't want to deal with it. So, anyway, you know, I'm Lucille Ball not just on this channel, but in real life too. Like going to my son's and bringing him a peanut butter sandwich at the doctor's. Things like that, you know. I'm a goof. Okay, then to go with Cardabella Sunflower, I think I'm just going to show you here. So get all those. You get tags. Very fun. And what is this? Is this a different... What? Yankee Doodle. Ephemera. This one is frames and tags. I like it. And then titles and phrases for Sunflower. Evidently, I like those. For $2, you get a lot. 32 die cuts. 33 die cuts. So yeah, you get your die cuts worth here. 34 die cuts. So there you go. So go to Echo Park. I do not work for them. I just like to make you guys get you guys to spend your money. That's my goal in life. All right, you guys, take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.